Hi students, once again welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Mangad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. So students, I hope you all enjoying our online lessons. So students, in previous lecture we see a grammar point, antonyms and synonyms. But now today we are going to learn grammar next point, kind of sentences. So, what is the meaning of sentences, student? Student, you know, in our daily life, when we reading, speaking, writing, at that time, we use some sentences. So, what is the meaning of sentences? So, there is a definition of sentences. So, listen carefully. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Complete sense. A sentence must have a subject and a verb. It is called a sentence. So, I read this definition again. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence must have a subject and a verb. So, student, sentence means it is a group of words, but that makes a complete sense. It is called a sentence. So now we see one example. A big house he lived in. So when we read this example, we cannot make a sense. But means we cannot call this sentence. A big house he lived in. That is not make a sense, na? So student, when we write like this, he lives in a big house. So student, he lived in a big house. When we read this sentence, we make a sense. So we call this a group of words a sentence. So you understood what is the meaning of sentence? Okay. So student, now all sentences begin with a capital letter and they end with a full stop. So you know full stop, when sentence complete we write or they get their full stop. It is called a full stop. Then question mark. Some sentence we get at the end of question mark. Then exclamation mark. So all sentence begin with a, remember, this is very important. All sentence begin with a capital letter, but the end with a full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, student? So, student, most sentence has affirmative or negative. So, affirmative means positive. So, see on whiteboard. Most sentence can be affirmative and negative. In negative sentence has words such as, means in negative sentence we will use some negative words. For example, no, not, none, nothing, never. Means in negative sentence we use these words. So we see some examples of affirmative and negative. First we see example of affirmative. In affirmative sentence, see example. Tina was reading the newspaper. But in negative sentence we use Tina was not studying. Okay? Means in negative sentence we use not. But in affirmative or in positive, if we use no, we don't use negative, means these words. Negative words, no, not, none, nothing, never. We use these words in only negative sentence, not a positive sentence. Okay? So student, see on whiteboard, there are four kind of sentences we see. First is assertive sentence, second is imperative sentence, then interrogative sentence, and then exclamatory sentence. So there are main four types of sentence. So first we see assertive sentence. So in assertive sentence, a sentence or give some information or declare some information. So, this examples of this sentence is called assertive